Hi students, CBSE Ncert 10th class Science Physics Part Electricity chapter exercises page number 193. So we are going to explain clearly. Question number 13. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to 220 volt line has a two resistance coils A and B, each of them 24 ohms resistance and may be used separately in series and parallel. So what are the currents in the three cases? So we want to calculate what are the currents in the cases. So now what about this one? Question number 13. Voltage given, that is 220 volts, and two resistors are given. R1 is 24 ohms, R2 is 24 ohms. Two resistors are given. So one time they are connected in series, another time connected in parallel. So in series, so what is current used by this hot plate? So in series combination, so what is the total resistance? So you know R is equals to sum of individual resistances R1 plus R2, 24 plus 24, that is 48 ohms. So now we have a formula from Ohm's law. V is equals to IR. In the problem, current drawn by the hot plate in series and parallel to be calculated. So for this one, R is calculated and V value is given, and from Ohm's law we have a formula V is equals to IR, then I is equals to V by R. So this implies I value is equals to V value 220, R value is 48. So 4 12s, 4 5s, 4 5s, that is 55 by 12. 55 by 12 means 4.58 amperes, which is 4.58 ampere on dividing. So this is. Now in the second case, what is the amount of current drawn by the hot plate? So when the two resistors are connected in parallel, when both are connected in parallel, so what is the total resistance here? So we have a formula in parallel combination for effective resistance, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, that is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24, which is LCM is 24, 1 plus 1. So this implies 1 by R is equals to 2 by 24, on cancellation it is 1 by 12. Then reciprocal on taking, 1 by R is written as R by 1, then it will be 12 by 1. So therefore R is equals to 12 ohms. Now what is the I value? What is the current drawn by the hot plate? So from Ohm's law we have V is equals to IR. This implies I is equals to V by R. V value is given 220 and this is what is 12. So 4 3s, 4 55s. So I is equals to 55 by 3. 55 by 3. This implies on dividing 55 with 3, approximately you can get 18.3 amperes. So these are the currents drawn by the hot plate from series and parallel when the two resistors are connected. So in the next video we will explain another numerical problem in the same page number in the same chapter. So we are going to explain in a coming days previous public examination papers of 10th class CBSE Ncert Science. So old paper solutions physics part we are going to explain in a coming video. Students, follow our channel.